Today is Sunday, 6:29 ng umaga, guys. We are early bird today. So, alam niyo naman guys, Sunday, it is selling day. So, we are on our way to the studio now para magbenta. So, umulan kahapon, sobrang lakas guys, like all day. Akala ko nga ngayon uulan din eh. Buti na lang nag-change yung mind ng weather. Sabi ko sana hindi uulan bukas kasi alam niyo naman guys, napakahirap i-carry yung mga mapaninda natin kapag umuulan. Kasi like I park across the road from the studio. Tapos especially itong ano ko kasi paper bag. Mababasa siya. Okay lang yung mga luggages kasi wala namang problema yun. Ang tagal naman ng red light na to. Umalis ako ng hindi nagkakape. So, pagdating natin din mamaya, just Lord, good luck sa atin dyan. Kasi anong oras na nag-open yung cafe. And, hindi ko na iiwan yung ating stall, di ba? Nang basta-basta lang. Kasi, Diyos ko Lord, pag may nawala sa benta natin, kahit isa lang, wala na. Lugi na ang inchik. Kaya, kailangan bantayan ng maigi. I always look forward for Sunday, guys, kung alam niyo lang. Sobrang nag-i-excite ako kapag nagbebenta ako. Siguro nga ito yung calling ko. Kasi alam mo yun, kapag nagtatrabaho ka, you get tired. Obviously, napapagod ka rin naman. Kasi you're carrying ang bibigat ng ating mga dinadala, guys. But, most of all, nai-enjoy ko. From packing, so kahapon ako nag-pack. Maaga ako nag-pack kahapon, kaya pupunta ako ng bed na hindi masyadong late. Kasi nag-pack ako ng all afternoon kahapon kasi hindi kami lumabas ng family kasi yun nga, malakas yung ulan. So nagstay lang kami sa bahay, so I had the time to pack. Buti na lang talaga hindi malayo yung tinitirhan natin, guys, kasi 15 minutes lang ata nandun na tayo kasi yung mga nakakasabayan kong nagtitinda din doon. Minsan, sinasabi nila na like an hour drive from them. My goodness. Can you imagine? Kailangan namin makarating doon ng 7 o'clock. Tapos, kung 1 hour pa yung drive nila, di ba? Anong oras sila galing sa kanila? So, really lucky. Alam niyo bang meron ganito din? Yung pinagbebentahan ko ngayon. Meron din to siya malapit sa bahay. Like walking distance. Pero, pinagbebentahan ko itong medyo malayo kasi bet ko yung mga customers doon. Alam niyo yun, parang I feel na yung mga binibenta ko fit doon. And yeah, I'm not sure. Parang nasanay na rin ako na doon ako nagbebenta. So kahit medyo malayo siya kumpara doon sa isa, doon pa rin ako. Nag-comment pala sa isa sa mga video ko, guys. I think yung video na sabi ko na yung pinagkakakitaan ko sa Australia. So, yung dinala ko yung binibenta natin doon din sa isa, yung rent-a-rack. Hindi ganito yung nagbibenta talaga ako. Yun, para iniiwan ko sa shop. Tapos, iba yung nagbibenta. May nag-comment na kawawa naman daw ako kasi dapat sana daw pag partners, nagtutulungan. Hindi yung ako lang daw yung nagtatrabaho. Yung asawa ko daw hindi. So, alam ko na yung nag-comment noon is first time watcher. Kasi obviously, nag-comment siya based lang doon sa napanood niyang video. Kasi sa video na yun, hindi niya napanood si Daddy Mike, pa ako lang yung nagdala ng mga gamit, ito ganyan. So, nag-based siya doon and then straight away, nag-make up siya ng kanyang mind na ako lang yung nagtatrabaho at kawawa naman daw ako. Kasi, hindi daw ako tinutulungan ni Daddy Mike. So, I was very lucky kasi isa sa inyo mas nakakaalam sa buhay namin dito na parang nag-defend. So, thank you very much. Nakalimutan ko na yung name. But thank you kasi nag-comment siya, sabi niya na panoorin mo rin yung ibang videos kasi, you know, Daddy Mike is this and that. Daddy Mike has got a job at mabait si Daddy Mike na hindi kami pinapabayaan, and especially, you know, being a dad, you know, like he's very hands-on and parang in-explain sa kanya. Anyways, I'm very grateful for you, Madam. Sister, thank you so much for that. Kasi mahirap yung iba nakanood lang ng isang video tapos mag-decision ka agad. But yeah, and also like sa isip ko pa, kailan naging kawawa ang maghanap buhay? Kailan naging kawawa ang tumulong sa asawa? Kailan naging kawawa ang mag-contribute para sa pamilya? Diba? Like, hindi naman sa ano ha. Like, Daddy Mike didn't ask me to do it. Parang kagustuhan ko ang gawin ko. And masaya ako dito. I'm very happy. Kasi as a full-time mom, mahirap yung, I don't know kung ako lang. But, alam niyo yung gusto ko rin talagang maghanap buhay. Kasi parang hindi siguro ako sanay na hindi nagtatrabaho. Kasi, as a mother of two, busy na tayo niyan, di ba? But, naghahanap pa rin ako ng rason para mas bumisi pa yung buhay ko. But, iba kasi yung feeling, guys, kapag meron kang sayo, matatawag mong sayo. And kapag nagbebenta ako, guys, sino nagbabantay ng mga anak namin? Di ba? Yung asawa ko. So, we are helping each other. Di ba? Like, he let me do things that I want to do. I'm helping the family. It's a win-win. So, yeah, hindi ko naintindihan yung comment ni ate na kawawa ako. Anyways, ganun talaga ang buhay, guys. May masasabi talaga yung ibang tao. But as for me, I'm happy. Happy kami ni Daddy Mike kung ano man yung ginagawa namin. It's a source of income. God. Sinong ayaw ng income dyan? Pataas ang paa. Sino yung ayaw ng income? Diba? So, I'm very grateful kasi I'm a full-time mom. Naalagaan ko yung mga kids ko, but at the same time, I'm doing my, you know, like, little business. Yung aking side hustle, diba? Para, at least, meron din tayong, mga pambili ng mga kung anik-anik, diba? At the end of the day, ang importante ay may pera tayo sa bangko. O, diba? Look at the city! Buti na lang talaga hindi umulan, guys. This is Brisbane City at 6:41 in the morning. Napaka-chill lang ng traffic dito, guys, kumpara sa Melbourne. Wag kung magka-traffic man minsan. Yan, 6:48 at dito na tayo, guys. Sa labas na tayo. So may time pa kasi normally 7 kami pumapasok doon. So I could see other sellers here now too. Pinababa na lang kanilang mga luggages. Since may time pa tayo, guys, let's check our online store. So, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, guys, I also sell online. So if you are far from Brisbane, kung nasan ako ngayon, I can always post to you. So, we have been working on our website, but at the moment, I am selling online via eBay and also Vistier Collective. So, kung may mga bet kayo sa mga binibenta ni mami nyo guys, yung link ng ating online store is nasa description box below. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Alat na. Bili na kayo. Parang pabili tayo ng bigas. Yeah. So, here's my eBay handle. Ayan. Jervis _designer digs. There. And then, you will see lahat ng benta ni mami nyo guys. Ayan. Meron tayong Gucci, Marc Jacobs, Gucci. Hala, umulan ng Gucci. Prada, Louis Vuitton. Name it guys. Yeah, marami tayo. Yan yung nangyayari guys. Ayan. So, you can see. Nakita ba? Paano ba ito i-zoom? Hindi siya kita. Ayan. So, naka-line up na yan sila sa front door ng studio. Yung mga tao dyan. So, yeah. No rush for us. Kasi, katayo lang din naman sila doon. Anyways. Alright guys. This is our day. Pa-airport lang ang tech. Yarn. Ito yung outfit natin for today's video guys. Ayan. Tank top, skirt, jacket, flats. Para comfortable. God, parang uuwi lang ng Pinas. Bigat-bigat. Let's go. So, ayan guys, nakapag-set up na tayo. At alam nyo ba, andito tayo sa mismong harapan talaga. Yun nyo, front door, dyan. See, the window. Ayan ang ating paninda. Diba? Meron tayong Marc Jacobs, Coach. Ayan. Tapos yung mga pangginaw na kasi, oh, it's officially winter na sa Australia, guys. June 1. Some Coach, ayan. And then we got this Gucci. Ayan, oh, sobrang ganda. And then our Louis Vuitton. Ayan, sobrang liit lang guys ng mga sizes natin kasi liit ng paa ni mami nyo guys. This is so beautiful. We have this Saint Laurent, diba? God bless America. And this side is yung mga ano natin, North Face jackets, jeans. And may kakaiba tayong Balenciaga na pants guys. So, parang marble. Maliit na lang yung size. We have a couple of Burberry trench coats. Tapos yung mga ano, dress. There. And then ang maganda is nandito tayo, oh, harapan talaga natin, nandito sa stall natin yung mirror. Diba? Bongga-bongga talaga. 1:45 guys.
Hey, what can I get you?
Hi, can I please grab double cheeseburger and a large meal?
Yep.
Can I have frozen Coke for the drink?
Sorry, we're all out of frozen drinks at the moment.
Oh, that's okay. That's all good. Just Coke, thank you.
Yep. Anything else?
Do you still have that Biscoff, you know, the $1.51?
Sorry, what was that?
The Biscoff, donut, like the little donut?
The Biscoff McPop?
That's the one, yeah, yeah. Do you still
Yeah.
have it?
Yep, we do.
I'll grab 2, please.
2 of those? Yep, all good.
Thank you so much.
Alright, drive on through.
McDonald's drive-thru it is. Gutom na si mami niya, guys. And this is the easiest way. Easiest way para tumaba. Thank you.
Oh, sorry, that was the client.
Oh, sorry, just give me a sec. Should be alright. They go through? Thank you.
The large Coke?
Thank you so much.
Yeah, Ben, can you grab those pops, please? There you are.
Thank you. Have a good day. Ang McDonald's, guys, grabe, sobrang busy all the time.
Mommy, did you know yesterday I did 100 of them?
Did you? That's a lot.
And I have like,
I should have
I have 100.
Did you?
I want to keep helping.
Anak, to na nativing ko siya naman.
And you've already been
Not just a little bit.
Just stay there.
17 whole
Oh,
dollars. Dad, that was nice.
Ah!
well,
abs.
maybe not a new truck,
Yeah, abs.
but enough for new gloves.
Look at that.
What an exciting lunchtime. Big Cuz and Little J did a great job of running the sausage sizzle, even without sausages.
You know snakes head? Go on, see man.
Mom, William just followed watching this. When you did this, Leland like,
Oh my goodness!
Mama, can you connect the internet on the computer? Me playing on the watch.
Have you seen the other phone, Lam? Can you charge it, please, Lam? I think it's there. The Mickey Mouse. So it's now 4:40 ng hapon, guys. Relax ako nung pagka-uwi ko.
I'm legit. Sorry.
Alam niyo ba? Pakita ko sa inyo. So kanina, nung nagbenta tayo, guys. Louie boy, mommy is talking. Nung nagbenta tayo, guys. Naku, look at mommy's phone.
Mama, I'm looking.
Oh no.
It's not here.
Yes. Are you tricking me?
No,
Promise?
promise.
Yeah.
But have you seen the, yeah, I think maybe in that lang. Maybe in the room.
You know how to sign in for her, yeah?
Okay, can I?
Uy, candy.
What's your password?
Can I have candy, please? Please. Can I have candy, please? Can I have candy?
Uy, no, candy. Mama said I'm making Milo. How about that?
What's your password, mommy?
Nagbenta tayo kanina, guys. So, nagka-time ako. Pinag-iusapan ko yung seller sa gilid ko na bibili muna ako ng kape next door. And nung nandun ako, guys, hinihintay ko yung actually, nandun na yung kape ko, nakuha ko na habang hinihintay ko yung banana bread ko kasi ano na po, tinost nila.
Auntie, can you open the
Oh my god, tingnan nyo, guys. Nasa pocket ko kasi tong phone ko. And Kita ba dyan? Broken. Tingnan nyo. Nabiak dyan. Nabiak. Basta ang likuran guys, so it's smashed. Look at na.
How did it happen?
I dropped it. Ayan, tingnan nyo hanggang dito guys. Oh,
You should start using a phone case.
I know. I've been thinking. Sinasabi ko, bibili ako ng phone case.
Can
Bibili
I
ako ng
choose
phone
it?
case, yeah. And then like, look now. Wala na, sira na.
And
Buti na lang talaga guys na biak siya dito. Ayan. Pero yung camera niya still working fine. Kasi okay lang naman sa akin guys na ganito. Makakabira naman yan siya ng phone case. Pero yung camera talaga kasi ito yung dahilan kung bakit bumili ako ng phone na to bago, diba? Kasi yung old phone ko, yung camera niya na nasira din pa, na ano ba, broken din. Kaya buti na lang, tinry ko kaagad yung camera niya. Wala namang nangyari sa camera. My goodness. Wala, kasira-sira na ang ating phone. Did you make that? Siya, tita, dito ay. Here, oh. Look, what Lainey and Auntie made. Yeah, move a
No,
little bit.
both. That was mine.
Oh,
We could-
yours? Oh,
we-
yours?
We
Oh,
couldn't
okay.
open the other colors, so Dad just opened the blue, violet, and black.
Oh, show me that, tita, babe.
And this is what.
Wow, so cute.
Can I tell them what it is? This one's a bunnies. This
Shut
one's
up properly. See, yes,
This
so
one's
that-
a bunny. So cute and hi. There. And what one? And what? And Celine, what is this? This one is a bunny too.
Did you buy a new paint lang? Ah, the one from the market?
Yeah.
Cool.
That's where I got and these are the ones I made. So first, I made this one. I love it. It's like a galaxy
What did you
one.
get from Nela?
Yeah.
And the dress for Nini?
Yeah. So we got. So I made this one. It's so cute. I put diamonds. Like, should I run like a diamond? I put some diamonds at the top, and look, it's like a bluish purpley. Oh yeah. Yeah. This is Monsters Funny. I didn't use it. Oh, I did use some black at the top so I can like get a dark color. That definitely worked. You never get dark color. And I made this one that's Aboriginal. Has this little sign on it and lots of little accessories on the back. I love it. So those are mine. We have 4. These are mine. Oh, and I wanted to show you my drawings I made yesterday. Alright. I made this bee. This one's my favorite. It's a bee. We have a dragonfly. Well, that one's nice. Butterfly. So, what we're going to do is put that away because these are special. And me and Celine are going to do some art. So, bye-bye. No, that's your birthday thing. Mama, that's your birthday.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Thank you, baby. Thank
Alright.
you, Katiki.
I wrote that for you.
Did you? Can you read it for me, please?
There's no reading, no reading. You don't need to read. You don't need to read, Mama. It's just your birthday party card.
Okay.
Open it.
Thank you. Oh, this is wonderful, Celine.
That is you.
Oh, so beautiful. Thank you, Baba.
Actually, I make a vlog for Mommy's birthday. Nice. See? But I already gave the card. See? I give the
We're getting ready for bed now, guys. And I'm just doing my skincare. Kasi naalala ko, do I look funny? Nung Mother's Day, binigyan ako ni Rose nito. And ngayon ko lang nakita yung paper bag na binigay niya sa akin, guys. Ayan, meron tayong Biodance Biocollagen Real Deep Mask. Hydrating, pore minimizing, and firming. So dito, how to use. After completing your skincare routine, remove the film, then apply the mask. So I've done the bottom part. And then leave the mask on until it becomes transparent. Then peel it off. Use as an overnight sleeping mask or leave it on for at least 3 hours for enhanced results. So, since tayo ay matutulog na, guys, we'll use this overnight. Hala ka. Hala. Ate manain yung auntie. Wow, it's actually very soothing, guys. Sa skin. Oh, matutulog na kami. Actually, patulog ko na yung mga kids. School pa bukas sa Ate Paris. So, kakatapos ko lang palang mag-upload. So, I'm just going to do the thumbnail and then yung mga sa descriptions and all that. And then, mapapanood na yung ating video. Kahit na delayed. Yes. Sorry naman. So, I'll just do a quick shout out before we'll end the vlog. I thank you so much, guys, for always sticking with us. Kahit na nagka-delay na yung videos natin. Shout out to Via Jameson, Sandra James, Yet Palino, Magdalena Risulis, Delaney Prince, Mercy Narito, Irene Aliperio, Celine Akla, Jenly Beauchamp, Victoria Baptista, Malin Garunay, Oni Bilog, Edelina Ibarra, Rodel Kimod, Lulu Rodelas, and Adelaida Olivar. Thank you, guys. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family, and we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Be careful.
bye.